Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make sure that your precise location is not shared inside the apps. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So usually when you share a location with the app, sometimes the apps will know the exact location where you are, but let's say if you only want the app to know your approximate location, let's say just maybe like 5 miles diameter. Let's say if you doesn't want to be like precise location to be tracked, what you can do is you want to go to privacy and security and then click on location services. So let's say if you don't want Amazon to know your exact location, you can click on this and then turn off precise location. If you want to turn it on, you can always turn it on, but be mindful which one you turn it off, because for Amazon it needs to know the exact location so that it can deliver your product or your shopping. So depend, if it's not necessary, then don't turn this off. If it is some kind of like make you uncomfortable, then you can always turn it off. But this is how you will be able to make sure that your precise location is not shared inside the app. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.